Good day, everybody. Hope you are doing great. Let's solve this problem together. Solve the inequality x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 less equal to 1. We'll first solve the equation. Solve the equation x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 equal to 1. Multiply by the term in the denominator on both sides by x. By x plus 4 on both sides. We get x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1 times x plus 4. So x plus 4, that is equal to minus 1. I forgot that. Okay, x plus 4 will cancel on from the numerator and denominator on the left hand side. So I have x minus 5 equal to, I'll distribute the minus 1, that is I'll multiply by minus 1 both the terms. Minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times plus 4 is minus 4. Okay, then I will add 5 on both sides because I want to keep the numbers of the constant terms on one side. So x equal to minus x plus 5 minus 4. I add x on both sides now. So I get on the left hand side 2x equal to 5 minus 4, which is 1. So x is equal to half is the solution. Okay. Just wanted to make sure I'm doing everything correctly. So looks like so far so good. So again, I draw the number line, but before I draw that, I'll skip some space. Okay, let this be 0. This is 1, and this is half or 0.5. So I have two regions to consider. This is x equal to half or 0.5. Okay, so this is region 1, and this side is region 2. Consider a point in, actually it approaches over here, so maybe I should draw this correctly. Oh, let me erase that. I don't need to put those arrows. Point in region 1. X is less than 0.5. Okay, so let's select that x equal to 0. Remember my inequality? So let me share with you the inequality again. X minus 5 divided by x plus 4 is equal less equal to minus 1. Okay, please do not leave right away. Please watch with me the video to the end because I'll give you some important tip at the end. And you also please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where I've solved all kinds of algebra problems just for you. So my inequality is x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 less equal to minus 1. And I have selected x equal to 0. So 0 minus 5 divided by 0 plus 4 on the left-hand side. So this is minus 5 divided by 4. And minus 5 divided by 4 is minus 1.25, which is definitely less equal to minus 1. So checks out. Okay. So inequality is valid in region 1. In region 1. Okay. Now let's consider a point in region 2. In region 2, where t is greater than 0.5. This is x actually, it shouldn't be t. Let x equal to 1. Okay, my inequality is x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 less equal to minus 1. So if I plug in 1, okay, I get 1 minus 5 divided by 1 plus 4 less, we'll check it out. Okay, so this one will be actually, we will consider something else to this. Give me a minute. So this is 1 minus 5 divided by this minus 4 over 5. Okay, and that is, oops, I don't write that. Okay, so let me use this. Minus 4 over 5, which is minus 0.8. Okay, and that is not less equal to minus 1. So inequality is not valid in region 2. Which is x less than, greater than 0.5. Okay, I had to reconsider my case also again. So let me first create some space. So remember, the inequality is, or given is x minus 5 by x plus 4 less equal to minus 1. Okay, when x equal to -4, okay, then the denominator is 0, because -4 plus 4 is 0, and the left hand side is not defined. Left hand side of the inequality is not defined. Inequality is not defined. Okay, so let me draw the number line again. Oops. Let me erase that. I'll erase that. Reduce this a bit. So, okay. So actually this is 0. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. And previously we have identified x as, so we have solved the equation and we have divided into, like, this one is 0.5, this one is, say, 1, this is 2. So actually we have to consider this boundary point, which is x equal to -4. Then this is the solution, which is x equal to 0.5. So actually this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we have to consider the boundary point. So region 1 is x less than -4. Okay, so let x equal to -5. So we have inequality to x -4, x plus 4. Oops. X plus 4 less equal to -1. So I'm going to plug in x equal to -5, which is less than -4. Okay, so let me erase this less than -4. So -5 divided by -5 plus 4. So this is -10 divided by -1. Okay, if I then we have 10 divided by 1, which is 10. And this is not less equal to -1. So x less than -4 is not a valid region. Okay, then we will select a point in region 2. So region 2 is x is from -4 less than x less than 0.5. Let x equal to 0. Okay, so we have x -5 divided by x plus 4 less equal to -1. So when x is 0, what does it become? It becomes 0 minus 5 divided by 0 plus 4, or minus 5 over 4, or minus 1.25, which is definitely less than minus 1. Checks out. So minus 4 less than x less than 0.5 is a valid solution, is a valid region. And the last region is when x is greater than 0.5. So last region, region 3, x greater than 0.5. Let's select, let x equal to 1. Then we have x minus 5 by x plus 4 less equal to minus 1. So if we do 1 minus 5 divided by 1 plus 4, okay, if I create some space. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4 over 3. Over 5. And that is minus 0.8. Okay. So that is definitely greater than my minus 1. Remember, minus 0.8 is greater than minus 1. So region 3 is not valid. So the actual solution for the inequality is region 2, which is minus 4 less equal to x less equal to 0.5. Or you might write this as minus 4 comma 0.5 with closed boundaries or closed parentheses at both ends because of the equal to sign, is solution region. Okay. So let me summarize what I did. Okay. So we have to actually kind of ignore the first part. We have to go into this. The inequality given is x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 less equal to minus 1. So the denominator is undefined, is 0 when x is minus 4. That means the function on the left-hand side is undefined when x equal to 4, minus 4, because we are dividing by 0 in the denominator. So we divide it into 3 parts. Also, previously we saw, if you go back in the top, the solution for the equation is x equal to half. So that's why we have 3 regions. One is less than minus 4, which is the boundary point, and then we have between minus 4 and 0.5, and then anything greater than 0.5. So we try with a point in each region, and we see that x less than minus 4 is not a valid region. Okay, and then we see that when x is between minus 4 and 0.5, it is a valid solution. Okay, and when we go greater than 0.5, that is also not a valid region. So the only solution region is between minus 4 and 0.5 with close bracket at both ends, because there are equal to sign in the inequality. I stop here today. If you have any question or comment, you can write me a note and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where in the playlist Algebra Problems, you'll find all kinds of algebra problems solved just for you. Also, please check me out tomorrow. Visit my channel tomorrow when I'll solve another algebra problem just for you. Take care. Have a nice day.